What is your name?
My name is Merna Tupan Maalan,
How old are you?
50 years old,
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
Yes,
Do you have son or daughter?
I have 2 sons and 1 daughter.
How old your
The
kids?
eldest one is 29, 28, and 26.
Okay. How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
12 years and 1 employer.
Okay. Do you have working experience in other countries?
Yes, Singapore, 10
Okay.
years,
How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
12 years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Chun 1,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
800.
How many family members are they?
They are 3,
3 member,
Yes.
couple, and
couple and 1 daughter.
how old the daughter when you came?
4 months.
4
and-
months baby.
Yes.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up at 5 o'clock to prepare the
Breakfast?
breakfast and the lunch for the kids bring to school.
Mm-hmm.
After that, I prepare the breakfast of my employer.
Okay.
After that, going to market and
Mm-hmm.
prepare again for the lunch,
Mm-hmm.
and then pick up the kids.
Do you do the household chores?
Yes,
Like what?
like cleaning, ironing,
Mm-hmm. Laundry?
laundry.
Okay, so do you prepare dinner?
Yes,
What time?
6 o'clock,
What time do you eat for the
7.
dinner? Okay. Until what time you go to sleep?
around 8:39.
Okay. Where will you go on your holiday?
The inside the mall.
Okay. So, do you meet your friends?
Yes, sometimes.
Okay. What kind of household chores are you good for?
Cleaning and take care the kids.
Okay. How about your cooking?
Good.
Good cooking.
Yes.
So, what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
Housewife.
Housewife. Thank you.
Thank you.